In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Sheets on Windows 11. Now, technically, Google Sheets is a web-based app, which means you usually access it through your browser. But on Windows 11, we can turn it into something that feels much more like a regular desktop application, with its own icon and window, so it's faster and easier to open. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 computer. For most people, that will be Chrome or Edge, and both work well for this. In the address bar at the top, type sheetsgoogle.com and press Enter. If you're not already signed into your Google account, the page will prompt you to log in. So go ahead and do that. Once you're signed in, you should see the main Google Sheets home screen, with options to create a blank spreadsheet or use a template. Next, we'll turn this into an app-like experience. If you're using Google Chrome, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From there, move your mouse over the Save and Share or More Tools section. Then choose the option that says something like Create Shortcut or Install this site as an app. A small window will appear asking you to confirm the name. Make sure it says something clear, like Google Sheets, and check the box that allows it to open in its own window if that option is available. Then click Install or Create. If you're using Microsoft Edge, the process is very similar. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Look for the Apps section, and then choose Install this site as an app. Again, confirm the name and click Install. Once you've done this, Windows 11 will add Google Sheets to your Start menu, and, in many cases, directly to your taskbar. To find it, click the Start button. Then either scroll through your apps list or type Google Sheets into the search bar. You can right-click the icon and choose Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start, so it's always easy to access. From now on, when you open Google Sheets using this new icon, it will launch in its own clean window, just like a traditional desktop program, giving you quick, app-like access to all your spreadsheets right from Windows 11.